Hey guys, this week we're going to take a look at our orchard. We've spent a few days digging some holes and getting some trees in. We've got about 8 or 9 all set up, so we'll take you through that shortly. This is our homestead, Ecotopia OZ. I'm Rob, your friendly quasi. That's a Kiwi Aussie. Alright guys, let's go take a look.
Alrighty guys, let's go for a walk and see what we've done so far. So what we've done is we've marked out all our holes for where we're looking at putting our plants. We've looked at where the canopy will be at a mature state and spaced them apart accordingly. So all marked out, ready to go. In our situation, what we've done is we've actually gone from largest to smallest there. That gives us some privacy for our little shack there from the road. So that's why we've done that. Then what we've done is we've come through, or we're coming through, we're digging these holes. We've got a nice sandy loam soil here, which is really good. What we're going to do is mix in some organic soil with that and mix that in so it gives it a good start for our plants and our trees. So I'm puffing a little bit because I've been digging the holes, but we've got 1 meter round and roughly 600 deep. Now that will give a nice loose area for all the roots to go down into, and also gives a nice area for them to get a good start. So most of them are going to be in holes like this, and this one here, because we actually lost the top of the orange tree we had, it's tending to go laterally. So what we're actually going to do is in here and here put these 2 posts you see here and put some trellising in between, and then train our orange up that.
Done here is we've gone around the outside and we've put half a barrow of soil around the outside, and we scooped out the center, put the sandy loam around the outside, and then put another half a barrow load of organic soil on the inside. What we've then done is we've come back through with some water and given it a really good soak. We puddled it up once and then we did it again to give that really good soak before we planted the next day. Now that we've got everything done, what we actually did is, after that process before, we pulled back all that organic soil that we put in there, and we popped the new plant in with the soil that was in around it in the pot we already had, and then put some more organic soil around the top. As you can see here, we've sort of given it a bit of a well so that when we water it, that water can stay there and soak down into there. So we've done that on all the trees down here, which is really cool. So we've got about 8 or 9. Now, let us know down in the comments if you'd like to know what these trees are that we've actually planted, and we'll go from there. Tanks we've got there are going to come in real handy for watering our new orchard. Great little thing, and we even collected about 200 litres off the roof the other night when we had a storm. Look guys, if you liked what you've seen today, give us a big thumbs up, subscribe, and whack that little notification bell. If you want to know what sort of trees or anything that we've planted out there, let us know down in the comments. Other than that, keep tuned and we'll go from there. See you soon.